From the moment I stepped into the seafood buffet restaurant today, I felt like I was lost in an extremely large culinary space. The restaurant is designed to be airy, with a high ceiling and soft yellow lights reflecting on the long rows of neatly arranged tables. The bustling chatter mixed with the fragrant smell of grilled seafood created an extremely vibrant atmosphere, both bustling and comfortable to start a party. The first thing that impressed me was the buffet line area. All the food trays were arranged in a straight line, clearly classified. On this side was seafood, on the other side was grilled meat, followed by side dishes. On the counter, there were always large round plates arranged by staff for customers to easily take. Standing in front of that line of counters, I really felt like I was standing in front of a culinary treasure. Next, I went to the grilled meat area. There are all kinds of meat here. Chicken, beef, sausages, and especially marinated octopus, which is attractive just by looking at it. The beef is thinly sliced, bright red, and seasoned to taste. Sausages are suitable for children, guaranteed to be liked by both children and adults. Each dish is displayed very eye-catchingly, with harmonious colors, and each tray is full. The herring with eggs is square, the eggs are golden yellow, served with a little mustard. It will definitely explode the taste buds. The tuna is bright red, each slice is thick. Just looking at it, you can see the freshness. The grill is placed right in the middle of the table. The charcoal has been lit. Just put each piece of meat, each shrimp on the grill, and you will hear the extremely stimulating sizzling sound. The aroma spreads, the light smoke rises and mixes with the smell of spices, making everyone at the table eagerly wait. I put the octopus on the grill first. In just a few minutes, the octopus has become firm, golden brown, and has a strong aroma. Take a bite, the feeling of crunchiness, chewiness, the sweetness of the seafood mixed with the slightly spicy marinade awakens the taste buds. Next comes the grilled meat, soft, fragrant, dipped with a little of the restaurant sauce. It must be said to be perfect. The grilled shrimp is sweet, firm, and cooked just right, so it retains its natural freshness. While enjoying the grill food, what I like here is that the staff is very attentive. They constantly change the grill when it burns, clean up around the table, pour more dipping sauce, and bring more tissues. Thanks to that, the whole meal is comfortable. Customers only need to focus on enjoying. After being full with grilled food, we decided to change to hot pot. The restaurant has many different types of hot pot. Spicy and sour Thai hot pot, mushrooms, sweet and light hot pot, seafood hot pot. We chose a seafood hot pot to continue the experience. When the hot pot was just brought out, the smoke was billowing, the aroma was making everyone crave. We started to put each ingredient into the pot: shrimp, clams, beef, fresh mushrooms, and green vegetables. Each slice of red beef gradually turned light pink. Each shrimp is bright red. Mushrooms and vegetables are green, floating on the water surface, all blending into a colorful culinary picture. Scoop a ladle of hot pot broth into a bowl. Take a sip. The mild, sour, and spicy taste mixed with the sweet taste of seafood awakens the body. The beef dipped in hot pot is soft, fragrant, and sweet. The clams open their shells. The meat is white. Eaten with fresh noodles, it is truly delicious to forget the way home. The shrimp is rich in flavor, firm in meat. Even with the little seafood dipping sauce, it is truly a 5-star buffet. The great thing is that the menu at the restaurant is extremely diverse. Whether you like grilled food or hot pot, like seafood or meat, you can find the right choice. Moreover, the ingredients are fresh and constantly replenished, so there is no feeling of food shortage. Sitting and sipping a hot pot in an airy space, chatting with friends, picking up each piece of fresh seafood, I really feel the value of a buffet. It is not just about eating and drinking, but also about the experience, the moment that connects people together. When the party was about to end, everyone at the table was satisfied. Their stomachs were full, and their mouths still remembered the taste of the crispy grilled seafood and the steaming hot pot. The attentive service attitude, clean space, and rich food all make up an unforgettable experience. If you are looking for a place to gather with friends, eat comfortably without worrying about the number of dishes, this seafood buffet restaurant is Definitely a great suggestion.